Hi, my name is Nicole Fas, but in the industry I am better known as Nicky Fas. I am the bar director of Pantera and Bambina, and I come from Lajas, Puerto Rico.
Hello, Nikki. Notice anything different in Pantera? Discover Puerto Rico's Boricua Twist cocktail challenge has taken over your bar. This won't be your typical workday. You're about to face off against two local bars in a showdown of craft the ultimate 100% Boricua cocktail. Cuidado! Not yet. Before you open your mystery box, here are a few instructions. Inside, you'll find one local fruit and a bottle of Puerto Rican rum. Your secret weapons to craft an original cocktail. The twist? You've only got 3 minutes to mix, serve, and name your creation.
And my cocktail name is...
Are you up for the challenge? You may now open your mystery box.
My first reaction when I opened the mystery box was like, oh, heck, it's tamarindo.
Ready to begin your challenge?
Oh yes, ready.
3 minutes on the clock. On your marks, set, go!
All right, so we're gonna begin our delicious cocktail. I kind of got nervous because tamarind is very acidic and sour. I am familiar with Crab Island rum. I have worked with it before. Making a soda. So we're gonna be using this fresh tamarind juice. We're gonna put it in our siphon. I will be brutally honest. I was hoping not to get tamarind, but that's what I got. We gotta do it real fast. All right, so we got our soda ready. Let's start with our base. It's gonna be some Crab Island rum. This is a rum from Vieques, Puerto Rico. We're gonna be using 2 ounces of that. Whole ounce of fresh lime juice. Balance that acidity. I am obsessed with balance in cocktails. I don't like things like excessively sweet or excessively strong. Fresh honey. I have a message to my opponents. Aprieten. Shake it up. Over here, let's put a piece of a nice ice. We serve our cocktail.
You have 20 seconds left.
We got our soda, nice and foamy.
You have 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, time's up. Step away from your equipment. It's time to unveil your creation. Share the ingredients you used and reveal the unique name of your original cocktail.
All right, so we used for base Crab Island rum from Vieques. We used fresh lime, we used some honey, and on top we made a house-made tamarind soda. Make it fruity and refreshing, and it's called Del Palo. I think that you should vote for my cocktail because it represents the essence or part of the essence of who I am. It reflects part of childhood memories with things that Puerto Ricans like. So I think that you should definitely vote for it because it's really good and really refreshing. And if you try it, you will love it.
Craving more? Visit discoverpuertorico.com for the full recipe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a sip of the action.